Hey everybody, Mike Wrench Mike. We are back with another walk around video thanks to my good friends at IAAI. We're in Tulsa this time. This is sale A right here. It's the day before the auction, which is the day that everybody can come in and take a look at the cars that they are interested in. And boy, am I interested in that car right there. Here's a hint. It's a V8 bi-turbo. Oh, you really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? All right, it looks like snow. That's hail, folks. Rolls-Royce Dawn. Oh my goodness, why is my life so fun? Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was gonna be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
There she is in all of her glory. I haven't even walked up to her yet, so you're going to get my first impression. I don't really know what to expect. I just saw it and I had to have it. Yep, 2016 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. 2016 V8 bi-turbo, beautiful car with a little bit of a suspension problem. Okay, this is, oh, it gets even better. Oh, be still my heart. Oh, this is the next model from the one I had, the S63 AMG. Holy crap. Okay, yep, this is it. This is a beautiful car. Let's go in the back and see what the back looks like first. Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay. Mikey loves it. Mikey wants it. They've got this, the bottom, your carpets in the bag here. Look at this, AMG. Look at the stitching on the seats. Oh, this is the newer body style than the one I had. And it's exactly what I want. I want it, I want it, I want it. Yes. All right, so let's kind of take a look at the inside. I don't see anything yet wrong with the car. Okay, what does it say up here on the machine here? Runs and drives, starts, keys. There is an engine start video if you're interested in checking it out. Oh, gosh. How much is this going to go for? Holy moly. Look at this. Look at the screens. Look at this stitching on there. AMG. Oh, this is miles ahead of the one I had. I hate to say that. I loved it. I really, really did. It was a great car. Scared me a little bit. But this, they've just done so much. And they still do this. I love this part about these center consoles. Okay, you can open it this way and you can check out what's going on. Here's your little remote for everything. Or if your passenger wants to do it, there's a button over here. Where'd it go? And it opens that way. I haven't figured out how that works, but it opens both ways. Isn't that crazy? That's fancy. That is really fancy good. Okay, what's on here? Here we have some cup holders. This is for your navigation, I believe. Look at the clock. Look how they've changed the clock. And the wood up here. Oh, my goodness. I know it's not going to do anything. I know it's dead. I know it's dead. But we're just going to have to try. We're just going to have to try because this is such an incredible car. Let's take a look at the hood and the engine that lies beneath. And we'll just kind of see. Oh, that's already open. Okay. Oh my gosh, I didn't expect this car to be here. Well, somebody's been poking around. Huh, okay. That goes right there. I don't know why they'd be poking. Oh, they're looking for antifreeze. And there is some, so that's okay. Look at this. Handcrafted by Julian Reinbold. Julian did a good job putting this together, I can tell. I can just tell by the look. Why is it here? Why is this car here? Is there damage on this side? If it's just the suspension, that's no big deal. You can always fix that. We fixed it in several cars. It's that ABC suspension. But look at this. I've always wanted one in white. Always, always, always. Okay, Well, we're gonna have to give it a try. All right, well, we've got her charging. Let's see what happens here. All right, got my little boost. Say a little prayer. Hopefully she's gonna start right up. Let's see. Oh, yes, sir. Look at this. Okay, and let there be life. My little battery charger's not powerful enough. Come on. But look how nice the dash is. Doggone it. I need that super heavy one that Randy has. Come on now. Here we go. Let's see what happens with this. Yep, this car needs too much of a starter than what I've got. Oh, crap. Well, we tried. We really tried. I can't tell you how much I love the car, though. Look at this. I love this car. And you get a key with the missing back. That's okay. Really, you pop this off, you can turn it with the key. But doggone it. Oh, look at the clock. Catch up with the time. See? We can't even do that. All right. Well, doggone it. So what's the issue? What is the problem with this? Thank you for your service, but you're just not enough. You're just not enough. Okay. Well, shoot. This really does kind of suck. I know it's going to be low on fluids. Yep. Yep. Okay. Well, we tried. We really tried. And with that, we're going to say goodbye to the S63 AMG, the 2016 version. Holy crap. Do I want this car? Yes. Can I afford it? Who knows? Just look at the front. Just look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. All right, how about an easy fix for you? Yeah, this would be a super easy fix from what I've seen so far. 2016 Mazda 3. Fun little cars. I like the older body style for some reason. This one, a couple of scratches right here. Sky Active technology. No problem, no problem, no problem. Tires look good. And then we have a little bit of an issue. This is not major at all. Okay, you need a bumper. You need a front bumper. I think that's still good. And this one's still good. Get yourself a bumper. A little bit of a scratch right there. And she'd be good to go. Not a super fancy car. You get the plastic hubcaps over the steel rims. But that's okay. Let's, oh, wait a minute, what hit? Okay, so the accident, it did push this back a little bit, and we're catching just right through here. Not a big deal. You just loosen these screws up, and I'll show you here. The bolts up and move it forward a little bit, but that's okay. Inside, it's kind of nice. A little bit of wear right there and there. But if I can squeeze in, oh, thank goodness it's manual. Okay, now I can fit. Now I can see what's going on. Everybody wants this touchscreen thing. So that instead of they spend so much time designing this, and then they just glue an iPad right on the top. Inside it looks good. I don't see a whole bunch of damage here on the seats or anything. Some guy is following me. He keeps following me. He goes right after the cars I look at. I guess he thinks I'm famous or something. Here he comes. Maybe he'll go to the other car. I walked a whole row ahead of him just to kind of get away. You want to give it a try and just see? Yep, let's just kind of see what happens. I know it's going to be dead. I know. Yep, okay. Let's look at the engine and see what we've got going on there. All right, we're in the engine bay right now. It looks good. I checked the oil. Everything seems to be fine. It's just dirty. A little bit of corrosion. And look, that Mercedes drained almost half of my juice. Look at that. It did. It drained almost half my juice. Just trying to start that beast of a car. Let's see what happens here. Okay, we got it. Manual override. We have a key. We have power, and let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Nothing's happening. What's the deal? Unlock. Okay, now let's start it. And nothing. There we go. I don't know why it took 10 seconds to think about starting, but it did. And now that it's on, let's agree with this. Here we go. Oh, look how nice. Can you scroll? Okay. Go Mazda. This is it. Turn on the AC. Oh, and it's cold. This is cold. 2016, same year as the S63. And she starts. She sounds good. Just an itty bitty little bump on the front. Wow, you're looking for something for the college kid? Perfect car right here for you. This is perfect. Sounds like a typical little import. No problems at all with this. Nothing damaged but the bumper. This is on my list, as well as the questionable S63. She sounds good. She really, really does. Okay, we're gonna let the battery charge up a little bit there. Take a look at the back seat, which is very, you get a little bit of room. Not too much. That's okay, no damage. No damage at all. And where's the trunk? I don't know much about these Mazdas. Here we go. Nope, nope. There it is. There it is. Look at the little tailgate. And everything you need is in here. Baby wipes, even get some Armor All cleaning solution, some weather strips, and some gloves for when it gets cold. It's a good sized trunk though for a little car. Good sized trunk. This is kind of nice. This would clean up so easy. This really would. This would clean up super duper easy. So what do you think? Should I put this on my list? I want that S63, but that's going to be very expensive. This will get me where I want to go. Content-wise, I don't know. Buy the bumper, paint the bumper. You get one video out of that. But the air conditioning, woo, super nice. All right, Mazda 3, thank you for your service. And finally, how about a Jeep Renegade? It's kind of a Jeep. Yeah, these are, well, I don't want to talk bad about a particular brand or particular model, but this, to me, is not a Jeep. I'm sorry. It says Jeep everywhere. Jeep, 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 Jeep. And the, oh. Okay. It's a, like a old orange, like a stale, moldy orange smell. Okay, I guess that's supposed to say Jeep. You got your floor mats in the back, a little bit of room back here. I want to say that my sister had one of these for a little while, and then she got rid of it as soon as she could. Yeah, it was different, okay? Yep, Jeep Renegade Sport in a nice blue, gray finish. Wow, okay. Tires are okay. You get the cheap steel wheels. Cheap, I think, says a lot about this car. If you have one, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but, all right, here we go. Let's take a look underneath. Where's the stick? There's where your stick sticks. And 2.4 multi-air with a Mopar battery. It's probably original to the car, you think? Maybe? I don't know. Let's see what's SA0W20 oil. Oh, she's got lots of oil. That's good. You think she's going to start? Should I even be looking at this? It's not in my wheelhouse. Don't know that much about them. Let's just see if she's got power. Let's just see. All right, here we go. We can kind of get in it. They've got her parked. They got it. These cars just parked so close to each other. But you have to when you have so many. And the smell, I don't know about that. I don't think she's gonna start. Yeah, she's dead, and I'm not even that interested in her. Yeah, this just isn't me, and I can't, that smell, it's making me dizzy. I don't know what is in here, or why she's even here. Woo! She's a stinker, I'll tell you that much. Yep, okay, so we'll put this down. Hold on. And we'll drop, what does this say? Oh, your emissions. Okay, we're gonna close the hood on the Renegade.